Welcome students. In today's class, we will learn about multiple catch block. In last lecture, we saw try and catch block. In that example, there is a single try block, and to handle the exception in that try block, there is one single catch block. In today's example, we will learn about the multiple catch blocks. The multiple catch blocks are taken in the program when there are chances of multiple exceptions. आपल्या प्रोग्राममध्ये जर एकापेक्षा जास्त एक्सेप्शन्स येऊ शकतात असे जर चान्सेस असतील तर त्या एक्सेप्शन्सला हँडल करण्यासाठी एकापेक्षा जास्त वेगवेगळ्या टाईपचे कॅच ब्लॉक ठेवावे लागतात. हिअर इज वन एक्झाम्पल. इन दिस एक्झाम्पल वी यूज a single try block but more than one catch blocks. Now see the explanation of this example. In this example, we take one class error4. In this error4 class, we take one main method. In this main method, we declare one array. The name of our array is A, and this is an integer type of array. We do not allocate the size at the declaration. We directly assign the values for this array at the time of declaration. This array contains two elements, 5 and 10. The index number of this 5 is 0. And the index number of this 10 is 1. It means that this array contains just two elements. Now here is another variable int b equals to 5. In try block, we take one expression. We take one extra variable x of integer type, and we write the expression a of 2 divided by b minus a of 1. Now look here carefully. Actually, the index number that available for our array are just 0 and 1. It means that a of 2, this element is not present in our array. And due to this expression is not executed by the computer. It means that this expression, there is one exception to perform this activity, and these exceptions can be catched by this catch statement, that is catch index out of range exception. Actually, it is not an arithmetic expression. It is not a array type mismatch exceptions. This exceptions is matching with this statement, that is index out of range exception. It means that actual our array contains just two elements, and due to this the index number of that elements are 0 and 1. There is no any two type of element is present in our array, and due to this the control is directly transferred to here, this catch block, and this statement console write line array index error will be displayed as a output. Now next, after that, there is another expression is present in this program. Here is that expression. We take another variable int y, and a of 1 is divided by a of 0. Now in our array, the index number 1 element is present, which is 10, and the index number 0 elements is also present. So index number 1 element is 10, and index number divided by 5 is also present towards us, and therefore the value of y become 2. These two values will be displayed by using this statement console.writeLine y equals to plus y. So output here is y equals to 2. And this message will be displayed as a output in front of here. So this is the multiple catch block example. In next lecture we will come towards the next point. So thank you and take care.